A year ago, HBAR was so quiet that even diehard holders felt nothing was happening. We got one big spike, then months of boring sideways action. But now, one single announcement just changed everything, and this could be the signal that HBAR's next major move is about to begin. So what exactly just happened, and why are HBAR holders suddenly buzzing louder than ever? Because if this plays out the way insiders expect, we could be looking at the biggest move HBAR has seen in years. For months, HBAR's price has been stuck in a range. Just sideways chop, nothing exciting. But history shows a pattern: spike chop spike. And right now, the only thing missing is that next big spike. Analysts believe this could finally trigger altcoin season, where projects like HBAR lead the charge past key resistance levels. And that's just the chart side. But the real story comes from the announcements that no one saw coming. So what could possibly turn a boring chart into a breakout signal? HBAR just got listed on Robinhood, opening the doors to over 25 million retail users. And that wasn't all. New integrations like DFNS bring institutional-grade tools, predictable fees, real-time monitoring, and 10,000 plus transactions per second. This isn't hype, it's infrastructure being built for scale. But that's just scratching the surface. Because the ETF talk is where things get really interesting. Why are big players suddenly calling HBAR a dark horse in the ETF race? Grayscale has already registered for a Hedera ETF in Delaware. Even industry experts like Nate Geraci have pointed out HBAR's community as one of the most passionate and loyal in crypto. And that matters, because institutional demand tends to follow strong grassroots energy. If this ETF moves forward, HBAR instantly graduates from overlooked altcoin to a legitimate institutional asset, and that changes the entire game. But there's another layer that could make this even bigger. What if institutions started moving not millions, but billions, onto Hedera? HBAR is rapidly becoming a tokenization powerhouse. Swarm markets just brought stocks like Apple, Tesla, and even gold onto Hedera's chain. Meanwhile, funds like Laser Digital are launching tokenized investment products, including shares in BlackRock's liquidity fund. This is institutional finance on chain, and Hedera is positioning itself as the backbone. If just one major player decides to tokenize $1 billion on Hedera, it could catapult HBAR straight into the top 3 networks for RWAs, overnight. And yet, the price hasn't even reacted. So why is HBAR still trading sideways while the fundamentals look stronger than ever? This is the kind of moment crypto veterans recognize: boring price action on the surface, explosive adoption underneath. In 2021, ADA shocked the market by climbing into the top 3. Today, HBAR has more institutional adoption, more enterprise deals, and stronger fundamentals than ADA ever had back then. The setup is all here. When this consolidation finally breaks, HBAR could run to $1 conservatively, with some analysts calling for $2 or more this cycle. So the question is, will you be paying attention before that move happens? Or only after it's too late? If you don't want to miss the next breakout, make sure you hit subscribe and join the community. And drop a comment: do you believe HBAR is the true dark horse of this cycle, or is the market still sleeping on it?